Hello, and welcome to another AASHTOWare project tutorial video. In this tutorial, we will be discussing navigating the system. After logging into AASHTOWare project, you will always be taken to the home screen. This screen can be accessed from anywhere in the system by clicking the home button located here. Your home screen may appear slightly different than what you see in this video, depending on the current role you are using. For now, we will be using the inspector role. To identify the role you are currently using, or your active role, you can look at the role description located here. Located alongside the home button is the role selector button. This is how you switch roles if you have more than one role. As you can see, the active role description will change after switching roles. You can switch roles at any time while using the system without logging out. Just remember, not all roles can access every screen. Switching roles while on certain screens may result in a warning noting that the current role does not have rights to view that screen. The previous button is located here. This button will navigate back one screen. It is recommended to not use your web browser's back button. Also located alongside the previous button is the previous selector. This button allows you to choose from the list of your last 10 previously viewed screens. These screens are displayed as selectable links. If you need to see more than the 10 previously viewed screens, select View Previous Activity located at the bottom of the window. Within this screen, you have access to your longer history with links to each of those previously viewed screens. The My Pages selector provides a drop-down of your favorite or commonly used screens. This is a helpful tool for quick navigation. To add a favorite, navigate to the page you wish to save, click the My Pages selector, and click Remember this page. Saved favorites can be edited by clicking the My Pages button, selecting the row action menu, selecting Delete, and lastly, click the Save button. It is important to note that the My Pages favorites need to be set up for each role. The Global Actions selector is located here and will display the Global Actions menu. Here you can see a variety of options for generating reports, running processes, and using the system email. These features will be discussed in another tutorial video or training manual. The Global Help button is located here. It opens the Help screen in a separate browser window. On this screen, you can search through the numerous help topics. The Log Off button is used to log out of AASHTOWare project. Components are considered different sections in the system and have a blue header bar. The home screen usually contains many components, and this will vary per role. Typically, while using the system, there is only one component per page. Located on the home screen are two important components. The Home Page News component will have announcements related to AASHTOWare project. Please be sure to frequently check the Home Page News. The External Links component provides useful links to locations outside the system. Within a component header is the Component Row Action menu. It displays a drop-down list of available actions for a component. Also located here is the Component Minimize Maximize button. It can be used to hide or unhide component content. The Component Help button is located here. It shows the System Help section relevant to the component you are working in. Component Quick Links are available on most components. They vary from screen to screen and provide quick access to other relevant components while working on a task within the system. The Row Action menu displays a drop-down list of available actions for a selected row. Search boxes are located throughout the system. They help to locate the record you are looking for by providing a shorter filtered list. Type your search criteria in the search box and press enter on your keyboard. The system will retain your search criteria for a period of time even when navigating away from the component. In order to clear a search box, click the eraser icon located next to it. Afterwards, select Show First 10 to show the original records. Another option to clear the search box is to manually back out the search criteria and press enter on your keyboard. Simply backing out the search criteria and forgetting to press enter can confuse some users as the search criteria will remain in the background. This can be especially confusing if the original search criteria did not display any valid results. Even after refreshing the page, the system will retain the search criteria. You must use one of the methods mentioned previously to clear the search box. Located to the right of the search box is the Sort and Filter box. Here you can view pre-made filters relevant to the component you are working on. If you do not see a Sort and Filter box, you can create your own by clicking the Advanced icon located to the right of the search box. This is called Advanced Filtering. This provides a useful tool for searching for information or querying the system. In this example, we want to list all daily work reports that need to be approved that contain no postings and are before a specific calendar date. Our first two steps will be to filter out the approved and rejected daily work reports. And our third filter will list DWR dates earlier than January 1st. Our last filter will make sure we list only DWRs without work items. We will sort the results by DWR date ascending to show the oldest DWR dates first. When you create your own advanced filter, you will have the option to save it for later use. The filter can also be set to default so it will display anytime the page is opened. Another option is just to use the filter once. This is considered temporary. We will give the filter a name and save for later use. Press Save and Apply. As you can see, the filter is now available for selection at any time. Filters can be used throughout the system and are extremely useful. Save buttons are located on a component header, and they are used to save a record. If you see a field with a red asterisk, that means the field is required before saving. Message boxes will display before or after saving a record. A red message box is noting an error that must be fixed before saving. A yellow message box is a warning. A green message box indicates that the record has saved. It is possible to see a green and yellow message box while saving a record. This is indicating the record was saved, but with a warning. If a saved record needs to be deleted, this is typically accomplished by selecting Delete located in the Row Action menu. When a record is marked for deletion, you will see an Undo button. This button allows you to cancel your deletion. To proceed with a deletion, press Save. Range fill can be used to fill a list of records with the same information. This makes data entry easier. When a range fill icon is available, you can copy the field data to other fields in the same column. Field magnifiers are sometimes located on text boxes. This tool makes entering information easier if you are entering a lot of information. Simply click the magnifier and enter your text. Click Apply when you are finished. When viewing a component with numerous records, the Back to Top button will automatically scroll to the top of the page. Another useful feature is the ability to open up more than one AASHTOWare project browser window and continue to work in both. To do this, right-click a link and select Open in a new tab. This concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions about navigating the system, please contact the AASHTOWare project administrator. Have a good day.